A product by Multipro.
Are you tired of spending countless hours bagging pillows by hand? Look no further than the pillow cover bagging machine by Multipro Machines Private Limited. This innovative machine will revolutionize the way you package pillows. Say goodbye to manual labor and hello to efficiency with this state-of-the-art machine. It is designed to quickly and neatly roll pillows into covers, saving you time and effort. With the pillow cover bagging machine, you can increase productivity and streamline your workflow. It is easy to operate, making it perfect for businesses of all sizes. This machine is built to last, with durable materials and a robust design. You can trust that it will stand the test of time and continue to provide reliable service. Experience the convenience and precision of the pillow cover bagging machine by Multipro Machines Private Limited. Upgrade your packaging process today and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more innovative products and solutions from Multipro Machines Private Limited. To get in touch with us and learn more about our pillow cover pack machine, call us on +9 17202021999 or visit our website at www.multipromachines.com. Don't waste any more time on manual packing, streamline your process with our machine today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on our products and services.